If you're a teenager or a regular person just trying to find a job online, then this is probably the most important video that you can watch right now, because in this video I'll be sharing 13 best work from home jobs that pay anywhere from $120 to $240 per hour. Even if you're a complete beginner and if all of that sounds too good to be true, just stick with me until the end of this video and you'll see that what I just said is actually true. Beginning with the work from home job number 1, which is to become a social media video editor. You can see on Fiverr, which is a freelancing platform. If you are actually a very skilled video editor and if you want to edit social media content, then you can go to Fiverr, you can make your gig, and you may get different projects to work on, which are usually either faceless YouTube videos or faceless TikTok accounts. And it's quite honestly pretty fun to edit those videos. Number 2, this one is going to sound kind of ridiculous, but I think that was the point. It's called bananabugs.co, and this is actually an app where you can get paid to take surveys and answer questions and all sorts of different things. And these surveys are usually boring and they take a lot of time. So I guess that's why it's called like banana bug. So they can just make it sound pretty fun even though it's not. But still, it's a great way to make some extra money from your phone, and it's also absolutely free. And anyone can apply, and everyone anywhere can download this app for completely free and try to make money by completing service. As you can see, it does not pay a lot, but it's probably the easiest way that you can start to make money online working from home. Job number 3 is coming from Linebridge, and this is actually a platform where you can get paid to help them with translating different content, whether those are video, audio, or visuals, or even just text. You would have to translate that into different languages. So if you do speak multiple languages, you can apply there for completely free. Website number 4 where you can make money online is going to be kickstart.com, where you can sign up for completely free and you can get paid to watch YouTube videos, browse Google Play video games, promote different offers, and do different things. Now unfortunately, they are not always accepting new people because this is the premium and highest paying making money online website, but they're not always accepting new users. You would actually have to qualify. You would have to search their name and email address and join the priority waitlist, and it can sometimes take months before you receive an email, so you can start to make money with this platform. But in the meantime, you can go to the next work from home job, which is at respondent.io, and you can see this website is a platform where you can help researchers and home companies with doing research, and so you can become a participant. If you go to the participant section over here, you can just click on become a participant and you can get paid to participate in research studies, which is honestly pretty exciting and pretty cool. And sometimes these jobs pay over $240 per hour, so the average hourly rate is $75. But there are some jobs that literally pay you hundreds of dollars per hour. They are extremely hard and obviously require a lot of work and a lot of experience, but it does allow you to make hundreds of dollars for 1 hour of your work. Next platform is premise.com, and this is a platform where you can help companies, brands, and businesses make better decisions. So essentially, they're just looking for normal people every day, people just like me and you, to give them honest feedback on their product. So that would essentially send you their website or their product, and you just get paid to give your honest opinion. That's all. They just want a normal everyday person with no experience, nothing, to just give them their honest feedback, because that's who they're going to be targeting with these products. So you can help them make better decisions, and that's why you can get paid from home by doing this. Work from home job number 8 is using Fed marketing with a platform like Rewardful, where you can sign up for free. And the reason I like this one is because it's very beginner friendly and simple. You can find hundreds of different programs and you can start promoting them. One of the pro programs that I have been promoting keeps on making me money. Job number 9 is textmaster.com, where you can become a professional translator writer. So you can write content and translate content into different languages and you can get paid. Now some of these jobs actually pay between $15 to $30 per hour, but there are some cases where someone can get paid even anywhere from around $70 to $100 per hour for some extreme jobs, something that may be way more complicated to others. So if you're very experienced, then you can definitely join this one. Work Work from home job number 10 is going to be at designcrowd.com, and this is a platform where you can get paid obviously for different designs. And if you go to the job section over here, if you go to the logo design section, you can find available jobs, but there are about 175 logo design jobs available right now. Open jobs, they pay like up to $150 Canadian dollar to 240 or even $580 US for a logo design. And if you design that in less than an hour, that's literally $500 for 1 hour of your work. Now, not every logo design is going to be accepted. As you can see, there has already been over 100 designers who have submitted their logos. Only if your design is chosen, that's when you'll get paid. So you would actually have to put in a lot of work and effort into creating something valuable, and then you would submit, and if you get accepted, you can get paid hundreds of dollars. So if you're a good designer, there's a bunch of jobs available here, and not only logo designs but all sorts of different things. The next work from home job is surveymagic.co, and this app will also pay you to complete different surveys and offers, and I believe it was made by the same company as Banana Bug, but it also pays you to take surveys and answers different questions, and also pays 20 cents per survey. You would get paid via PayPal, and then you can transfer that money into anything else that you would want. The next one is for those that are really into YouTube and want to help YouTube creators. So if you're a creative person, that this would be a great one, because at YT Jobs you can apply for different jobs, and especially YouTube related jobs, and literally Mr.beast is hiring here so as well. So if you go to the job section over here, so just click on jobs. You can find all sorts of different jobs available right now. You can find search based on the category, and you can see that some can pay like $100 or $300 per hour for video editing. Some pay $1 and some pay $150 per hour. Some pay $40 per hour and some pay $15,000 a month and $500 per hour. So there's a bunch of different jobs and you can just apply here. Just one thing to note is that I don't believe that this one will stay free forever. They're trying to charge people who are trying to apply for jobs, which is pretty concerning. The next website is 99designs.com, where you can find different design jobs as well, and you can apply and you can get paid. So if you go to 99 design section and we go to this section where they're posting these contests, you can see that you can get paid like 400 Australian dollars for a logo design. So you just open up the contest that's available, and based on that you would just create a logo design that you would submit, and if your design gets accepted you would be paid, in this case $600, and it can take you less than an hour to create and submit it. If you get accepted, you just got paid $600 for 1 hour of your work. The next website is socialtrader.com, something that I used to use when I was a teenager back in high school. I would just basically build up Instagram accounts while sitting in a class. I would just use my phone to grow accounts, and when I grow an Instagram account, I would come here and I would sell it, because people sell their accounts for hundreds of dollars. So even though this is not going to be hundreds of dollars per hour, it's something that you can do in your spare time. Grow these accounts that can be even faceless. Just post as much content as possible, and once you grow those accounts to some decent followers, you can sell it for, like, for example, $5,000. Like this account is selling for $145, and this honestly doesn't require that much work and effort to create and build. Just make sure you're not buying any fake followers or whatsoever, otherwise you won't be able to sell it. So hope you got some value out of this, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.